You ready to deal with my bullshit? Okay. When you give a dumbass things to play with, they usually do something dumb. There we go. Ah! Ow! Fuck! If I'd done, I could have just used female wires. Oh, god damn it. I don't have nice things. Right there, and right there. My genius, I figured out how to do one thing. And that thing, boom, is portable charger. It's only the nicest and finest craft anyone has ever made in their life. There is no competition. If we look over here, look at that beauty, and it's perfect. I think it's time to test this thing out. Bam! Guess what that is? It's not a bomb. Guess what it is?
I don't even know where to start.
You didn't guess.
know what it is.
Guess.
A servo?
No. Didn't work properly. It didn't work on phones. It worked on everything else. I look like a dumbass. So I found out it works on everything but Jesus Christ. Everything but phones. But it was the point, because you don't want your phone being hacked. So that's what I did. Now it's time for the durability test. Now that I've figured out that it only works with very certain items, but it works. Therefore, it's still a wireless charger. So the durability test. Here it is. It's coming hot and heavy. God damn, it's windy. It's coming so hot, steamy and heavy and girthy. It's gonna be so goddamn amazing. Watch this. 3, 2, 1. Like a dream. It's fine. Like a dream. Oh yeah, like a dream. Well, it disconnected from the battery. So I shall go test it out. Tests have concluded that it works on anything but phones, and it can withstand me throwing it 5 feet. So that, and proof that it still charges. Maybe. Perfect. Well, if you like that, then powered a Raspberry Pi, therefore I win, so shut up.